You are watching this video because you have spring hinges that automatically close your door for you. If your self-closing door is not closing properly, then it's probably caused by the spring hinges not being adjusted. You can adjust them very easily. They put tension on the door to close the door, which is a great idea when you have a door that separates the house from the garage. It's a fire issue if this door sits open, and you can also get carbon monoxide. And so if the door just won't close properly, then you can increase the tension on this hinge and the hinge down below. I will show you how. Any door that should automatically close should have spring hinges on them, and there are different kinds. I'm going to show you the particular kind that I have. On this spring hinge that is on this door, it is on the bottom and the top hinge positions. This spring hinge has a screw that can be removed. Once the screw is removed, then you can see the inside where the Allen wrench will adjust the tension on the spring hinge. Hopefully you have the instructions that came with the spring hinge. If you installed them, make sure to keep those instructions in a place where you can find them. Simply put the Allen wrench in until it locks in place. It has to go down further than the first hole, and you can feel the tension. Then simply pull this tension until it goes to the next adjustment. They adjust in increments. Don't make it too tight. There, right about there should be good. It holds its position, and then you can simply replace the screw into place. The purpose of this screw is to simply keep dust and debris from getting into that hinge. Now we will do the same for the top. You simply remove the face screw, and this allows you access to the actual spring tension adjustment. And grab your Allen wrench. When I bought these spring hinges, they came with the Allen wrench, so you'd want to keep that Allen wrench. I would tape it near the outside of your door, somewhere nearby handy, because seasonally this will need to be adjusted. There, that should do it. You can test it. Basically, I open it the width that kids or maybe smaller adults would open it, because when they come through they just open it that wide and it's less likely to shut. Then I see, absolutely, I got it exactly where it should be. So in the winter time the door is less likely to close properly, and that's when the cold air comes rushing in and animals sneak out. So there we have it adjusted for the winter season, and now we won't have carbon monoxide coming in, we won't have fire coming in if there's ever a fire in the garage. This is a fire rated door, and you want to keep that safety margin. That's the whole reason for the requirements. On most newer home construction, the self-closing door is a requirement. It depends on your locale and your rules where you live, but it is a very good idea. So if nothing else, put spring hinges on and adjust them to get your garage door to shut properly. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Make comments below if you have any other suggestions, because other viewers could learn from your experience.